and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. What about my nose? Oh. So today we're going to be starting a series on the body. So hands, paws, feet, toes, shoulders, upper body, lower body, different clothing options. The reason why this is important, and it's good to have, is so that when you're creating your own things or you're trying to come up with a new idea, is that you can think, okay, well, I can use this kind of hand or this kind of paw or this kind of foot or this kind of shoe, and you can put them all together, and it's like a Mr. Potato Head. So the different ways you put the pieces in tell different stories. So we're going to be doing that, and that's what this series is all about. So please, hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Let's give it a hand. Hand?